Okay, let's discuss calculating commercial service loads using the optional method, referencing Article 220.34 and 220.36 of the National Electrical Code. Your understanding of Article 220.10 in relation to the optional calculation methods in Article 220.34 and 220.36 is accurate. When using the optional method for calculating a commercial service, you still need to consider Part 1 of Article 220 to determine the connected load and the requirements of 215.2 subsection of paragraph 1 and 230.42 subsection are regarding continuous and non-continuous loads. The connected load comprises the total requirements specified in Article 220 Part 1, along with 100% of the non-continuous load and 125% of the continuous load, but the requirements in 215.2 subsection of paragraph 1 and 230.42 subsection A. Let's break down the process of calculating the connected load for a commercial service when using the optional method. First, you must determine the connected load of each individual branch circuit, following the guidelines outlined in Part 1 of Article 220. This includes accounting for all loads connected to each branch circuit, encompassing lighting, appliances, and any other equipment that's wired to that branch circuit. Second, after determining the connected load for each individual branch circuit, sum all of those loads together to arrive at the total connected load for the entire service. Third, after you have determined the total connected load, apply any applicable demand factors to the total connected load. Demand factors are essentially multipliers that reduce the calculated load, recognizing that not all electrical loads operate simultaneously. You can apply demand factors as permitted in Parts 2, 3, or 4 of Article 220 to reduce the total connected load. 4. The resulting load after applying the demand factors is what's considered the computed load. It is essential to understand that the connected load influences the sizing of the service equipment. This means selecting the appropriate size for the service entrance conductors, the service overcurrent protective device, and the service disconnect. The computed load, on the other hand, dictates the sizing of the feeder conductors and their corresponding overcurrent protective devices.